Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Acer's new Nitro 17 gaming laptop. So friend, Acer announced Acer Nitro 17 gaming laptop unlocking improved performance, immersive experience, plus essential features for playing and multitasking on the go. The device is powered by the latest Intel Core 14th generation processor featuring Intel performance hybrid architecture with improved power and core frequencies to manage workload efficiency. At the same time, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series GPUs with DLSS 3.5 technology, NVIDIA RTX Laptop GPUs are packed with specialized AI Tensor Cores, enabling unmatched AI performance in creative apps, ultra-efficient productivity, and blistering fast gaming, and more. Built with Microsoft Copilot and the next wave of computing, the Nitro laptop provides access to Copilot in Windows via dedicated Copilot key, making it even easier to harness the power of AI to assist with productivity and creativity tasks. So, friend, you can feast their eyes on immersive visual and pristine colors on the device. 17-inch QHD display with fast 165Hz refresh rate and support for NVIDIA Advanced Optimus feature. The Nitro 17 is further supported by an advanced cooling system, AI-assisted communication feature, and NitroSense software for all full device control. The Windows 11 gaming laptop is shipped with 1 of Xbox Pass Ultimate, provide access to library of hundreds of high-quality games to be explored with friends on PC, console, and cloud. So, friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon